GCJDMA has passed a demolition order and it has attained finality by the order passed by the Supreme Court. Now there was also a contempt petition filed before Bombay High Court Goa bench, wherein on 8th July Goa bench has passed an order for the implementation of the demolition order and also inspection. So since we also wanted to file our report that all the demolition has been complied as per the direction or not. And in fact, we approached the GCJDMA, wherein GCJDMA was also given us the instructions to be present on site so that we can assess the surveyor and other officials to identify the exact structure which has been directed for the demolition. I was there with my client Anil Prabhakar Naik, who is the owner and the complainant in this matter. So I was waiting for the officers. So at 160 bars 35 main road, Balkrishna, the officer from GCJDMA came. Talati was there. PW department workers were also there. 7-8 people were there. So instead of 116:35, the Talati said that let's start from 119:3, which is the resort for, Eden Garden, which is also for the demolition. So Bal Krishna moved to, it will take 5 minutes driving distance from 116:5 to 119:3. I followed him in my car, and they were also, the other officers were also coming from back. So when I followed the Balakrishna and we reached the gate, the accused, the Dilip Moses son, has started his car, and from back there was one the lane was going on. He blocked the my way, and already it was pre-planned. People, I can see people at that roof from the mirror. I can see they started coming, and without a moment they started hitting with the iron rod and stones. Then somehow I moved the car down in the farmland was there. Then again they blocked with the tempo, the other side also. So I was blocked everywhere, and the car also stopped moving. It got jammed. They put bricks in the car inside a tire. They with the everywhere sitting on the bonnet, and from all corners they started hitting, punching. I was in the car only. I was, and my client was in the car only, inside the car. We never get down from the car only. And they started punching, throwing stone, all the car's glasses. From condition you can see what was the blow limit. Started punching and all these things. Mirror came on our face, putting a brick, hitting the brick. They hit with a stone brick, and started punching me. They somehow, after the car glasses got broken, they opened the car, kept my mobile. They took the files everywhere. They took us out. They tore our clothes, shirt, and started hitting me, and made us fall down and kicking, and with breaks from back, from front, whatever was there. I was not able to understand. I was also concerned because complainant, he is a 75-year-old senior citizen.
So they didn't hit him.
He was also brutally attacked. So I was more concerned because he is a senior citizen. If some attack, all this heart attack or something happens, then things would be. I requested them, please don't touch him because he's a senior citizen. Please stop. But they hardly cared. So I said that I'm ready to withdraw all the cases, and so please stop now. Don't kill us, because they were about to hit rod on the head and all. I said I will withdraw whatever is there, not pursue the matter. Then they made us write in the paper that I will withdraw the case pending before all the courts. I will not pursue the matter. It will be full and final settlement with the parties. I will not file any police complaint against this incident. It will be claimed as a self accident. They cleaned my car. They gave me just to look it normal, his shirt from his place, and to Anil Nayak also, because the bleeding was coming from the nose. The entire blood stain was in the my shirt.
So there you wrote what they told you.
Yes, yes, I have written to
So
save our life.
mhm. So now what would be your next action after that? Because
Now police has already registered an FIR.
the forcefully written letter, what would you do?
Without consent, it makes no sense. Now I have to save my life. Now
Mhm.
that later or any litigation is not much more priority than a life.
Mhm.
If you would have not written, they would have I would have not talking with you right now.
Mhm.
So I have to save my life in any given circumstance, also my client's life. So I have written what they said, and then police came after that. Then they said that no, some settlement talk is going on, all okay, and all these things. Then we went to the with the police and all these things.
So what is your demand now? Like you have been
Look,
so.
we had a Supreme Court order, a High Court order. I'm more surprised that if this is the situation, and the lawlessness means, look, orders on paper makes no sense when it is not implemented at the grassroots level. Now today it's not, look, today it has happened to me, tomorrow it may be other, because this illegality, there is no control on illegal constructions across the coastal zones. One thing is sure, that there is no fear of law and order. And he very confidently said that he actually pay all the local authorities. So his confidence level was that high that even after this incident, things will be normal.
So the corruption was involved in this matter.
High level of corruption, not corruption. Means despite order and all these things, authorities not taking action. And after having a order, constitutional court order, you cannot, how to get a courage to attack any party. A brutal attack means it's a complete failure of law and order. Now authorities may try to defend and try to put a blame game and all this thing. We have a order of a high court. Everything is in black and white. Nothing like we have bycrossed the law. We have not followed the due process of law. Okay, so everything is done. Whatever is there, everything is in record. And that if it is not being implemented makes no sense, because litigant has a high hope from the court of law and justice. And if this is the case, then what about the other common citizen? How to go, where to go, and whom to approach?
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.